Hey guys, your girl Damo. I'm back to bring you guys another video, and before we get into the video, please excuse the lighting. I'm trying to use daylight and it's kind of, you know, dark outside. It looks like it's about to rain, so that's why I'm so dark right now. But yeah guys, let's get right into this video. You guys already know what this video is about. It's an unboxing video of the Cool Grey 4s. I'm super excited that Jordan finally re-released these. The last time these sneakers were released was in, I believe it was 2004. So this is an epic moment for me. Like, these are probably my favorite 4s. No, what came over Jordan, because they was like, yo, give Grey School a fire box. This box is fire. Like, you got the Jordan symbol with the flight, Jordan symbol with the air. These are in a size 6, and I paid retail price for these, which was $140 from, I believe I copped these from Finish Line. If they're still sitting, then I'll link them down below for you guys to cop. Make sure y'all cop these, because these are a great little addition to your collection, and people are sleeping on these, but I feel like once they gone, the prices is gonna shoot up as always. But let's get into it. I like the red guts on the box. The red guts is dope. The black tissue paper. Well, this isn't black tissue paper. This is more black plastic, but yeah. Here we go to the good stuff. Close up the box. These are so nice, yo. So nice. These are fire. They're so hard in person. Like, I love these. Like, the uppers, I'm feeling them, because the uppers, they're suede. Certain sneakers that are suede, if you rub it this way, you can see that all the hairs are shifting this way or that way. This is like that, like, super smooth suede feeling materials. Let's get into this sneaker. Whew. Finish Line got these things tight. Okay. So right away, these are the classic with the black bottoms. Let's start at the bottom with the black bottoms with the pop of yellow. I always love the bottoms on these sneakers. Like, that pop of yellow is so beautiful on the sole. Then you have the uppers. You have the little peak of yellow in the air bubble, if you can see that. I love that. Then you have the suede uppers with the gray, the cool gray netting, the black lace holders. Then you have the Jordan Flight on the tongue with the little pop of yellow. Let me show you guys that. And then when we get to the back, you have the silver Jordan. This feels like it's, it could have been sturdier, but you know, it's just a little Jordan symbol, so I ain't gonna complain too much. But yes, you see that right there. I think these are a collector's edition. Like, if you collect sneakers, I really feel like you should have caught the Cool Grey 4s. Like, it's a given. Then when you get into the sneaker, these things are hard. Like, hard, as in hard to open up. Like, usually I'm able to just bust a sneaker open. Nah, these things is hella sturdy. But when you get in the inside, you have the Air Jordan right there, the Air Jordan tab in yellow. Then the insole's pretty basic. It just has the Jordan symbol, and it's I believe that's black down there. If it's not black, it could be like a dark gray. Like, it's hard to see in there. But these are what the Cool Grey 4s look like. They're so pretty. Like, the outfit ideas for this is like totally endless. Like, totally endless. It's about to be sweatpants weather. These are going to go down hard. When I tell you, these are going to go down hard with a pair of sweatpants. So hard. So you guys subscribe to my channel so you'll stay up to date with your girl, because you know I'll be coming through with these unboxings. Okay, I'm back on schedule. Okay, she is back on schedule. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll stay up to date. But until my next video, I will see you guys later.